Have you ever reached the end of a car lease and thought, what now? Thinking face, it's a common dilemma. Do you turn in the keys and walk away, or do you fall in love with your ride all over again and decide to make it yours? For many, especially those who leased with Ally, the latter, the lease buyout, becomes a really attractive option. But how exactly does it work? What are the steps, the hidden costs, and the things you absolutely need to know to make the best decision for your wallet and your driving future? Today, we're diving deep into the Ally lease buyout process, demystifying every step so you can confidently navigate this important financial decision. We'll break down everything from getting your buyout quote to securing financing and what to look out for to avoid any surprises. So buckle up, because by the end of this, you'll be an Ally lease buyout pro. What is an Ally lease buyout? Automobile. Simply put, an Ally lease buyout is when you purchase your leased vehicle from Ally Financial at or before the end of your lease term. Instead of returning the car, you exercise an option outlined in your original lease agreement to buy it outright. This means the car becomes yours, and you're no longer bound by lease restrictions like mileage limits or wear and tear charges. There are generally two types of lease buyouts. Lease end buyout. This is the most common. You purchase the vehicle at the end of your lease term for the residual value stated in your original contract. The residual value is essentially what Ally estimated the car would be worth at the end of the lease. Early lease buyout. Some lease contracts allow you to buy out the lease before the term is up. If you go this route, the price typically includes the residual value, any remaining lease payments, and sometimes an early termination fee. Not all Ally leases permit early buyouts, so you'll need to check your specific contract. Why would you consider buying out your Ally lease? Well, there are several compelling reasons. You love the car. This is often the biggest factor. If you've enjoyed driving the vehicle, it's been reliable, and you know its history, buying it makes sense. Avoid fees. Returning a leased vehicle can come with charges for excess mileage, wear and tear beyond normal use, and disposition fees. Buying it out eliminates these. Market value advantage. In some cases, the current market value of your vehicle might be higher than the residual value stated in your lease. This means you could purchase the car for less than it's currently worth, giving you instant equity. Known history. Unlike buying a used car from an unknown source, you already know the full maintenance history and how the car has been treated. Convenience. You avoid the hassle of searching for a new car and going through the entire car buying or leasing process again. Step 1. Get your Ally buyout quote money bag. The very first and most crucial step is to get an official payoff quote from Ally. This isn't just an estimate, it's the exact amount you'll need to pay to purchase your vehicle. How to get it? Online account. The easiest way is to log into your Ally Auto online account. Once logged in, navigate to your vehicle account and look for lease end options or get payoff quote. Ally's platform is generally user-friendly, so you should find this option clearly displayed. Phone. If you prefer to speak with someone, you can call Ally Auto's customer service. Their number is usually available on their website or your lease statements. Be prepared to provide your account number or VIN, vehicle identification number. What's included in the quote? Your buyout quote from Ally will typically include the residual value. This is the predetermined value of your car at the end of the lease, as stated in your original contract. Remaining lease payments. For early buyouts, if you're doing an early buyout, any outstanding monthly payments will be added. Purchase option fee. Many lease agreements include a purchase option fee, which is a small fee for the right to buy the car. This can range from a few $100s. Applicable sales tax. This is a big one. Sales tax will be applied to the buyout price, and the exact percentage will depend on your state and local regulations. Don't forget to factor this in. Other unpaid amounts/fees. This could include any late fees, outstanding tolls, or other charges you might have accumulated. Pro tip: get your quote well in advance of your lease end date. This gives you time to understand the numbers and explore your options without feeling rushed. Step 2. Evaluate the buyout offer thinking face. Once you have your official buyout quote, it's time to play detective and figure out if it's a good deal. This involves comparing Ally's quoted price to the current market value of your vehicle. How to determine market value. Online valuation tools. Use reputable online tools like Kelley Blue Book, KBB.com, Edmunds.com, or NADAguides.com. Input your car's exact year, make, model, trim, mileage, and condition. Be honest about the condition. A fair condition car will have a lower value than an excellent one. Dealership appraisals. You can also visit local dealerships and ask them to appraise your vehicle. This can give you a real-world idea of what they'd offer for it, although keep in mind they'll likely offer a wholesale price to factor in their profit. Compare to similar listings. Browse online car marketplaces like AutoTrader, Cars.com, or even Facebook Marketplace for vehicles identical to yours in terms of year, make, model, trim, and mileage in your local area. This gives you a sense of what consumers are actually paying. Making the comparison. Is the buyout price less than the market value? Party popper. If so, you're in a great position. This means you have equity in the vehicle. Buying it out will be a smart financial move, as you'd be purchasing an asset for less than it's worth. Is the buyout price higher than the market value? Chart decreasing. This is where you need to be cautious. If the residual value Ally said at the beginning of your lease is higher than what the car is actually worth now, buying it out might mean overpaying. In this scenario, returning the car might be the better option, even if it means paying some excess wear and tear or mileage fees, though you'll still need to factor those in. Consider the total cost of the buyout, including sales tax and any fees, when making your comparison. Don't just look at the residual value. Step 3. Secure your financing, if needed, bank. Unless you're planning to pay cash for the entire buyout amount, which is rare for most people, you'll need to secure a loan. Ally does offer financing for lease buyouts, but you're not obligated to go with them. Shopping around is key. Ally's financing options. Ally provides financing for lease buyouts directly through their online portal. You can often pre-qualify with a soft credit pull, which won't impact your credit score. This allows you to see potential payment amounts, terms, and interest rates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.